Magandang araw mga kababayan ko sa bansang Pilipinas. So, kagabi nag-update tayo, no? Kung ano nang nangyayari sa Philippine politics. At kaninang madaling araw, parang halos di na ako nakatulog kasi inabangan ko yung storya at drama nung nangyayaring ano bang term dyan? Telenovela. Kaninang madaling araw, ano yun drama yun, no? Drama. So ito yung ang sinasabi nilang panggigipit ng mga taga HOR sa Office of the Vice President, no? At kaninang madaling araw nga nangyari nga ang parang escalation na yon, no? Level up na situation. So ano na ba, saan na ba tayo papunta? At maraming binigay o maraming nilabas na baho na expose si Vice President Sara, no? Inday Sara. Maraming nasabi, maybe because nakita ko kasi siya kanina I was watching, no? I was watching the Zoom nila kanina ni VP Sara, at talagang lumabas yung galit, no? At parang uncontrolled, no? Yung galit niya, sa galit niya, no? Sa galit niya lumabas yung mga tinatago niyang mga mga sikreto ng mga kilala niyang mga politiko, no? At may inano pa nga siya na na information na pag mamatay siya, ipapapatay din, may inutusan na siyang, may sinabihan na siyang magpatay din sa mga tinuturing niya sigurong kalaban, no? So kaya nga parang level up scenario na yung nangyayari. Parang hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba ako o maaawa ba ako o mahihiya ba ako. Parang lahat na siguro nandun na, no? Kasi parang if you're looking from the outside looking in, hindi mo lubos maisip kung bakit nangyayari ito. Is it because of politics? Is it because of power? No? Is it because of money? Para bang ang posisyon ng Vice President is a coveted position, no? I would not like to assume and presume, no? But it sounds like, it looks like, it seems like, no, na there are really some sectors in the government who wants the Vice President out, no? And I do not know why. For the only reason there is, meaning one thing the VP position is the only reason why you want the VP position is if again it's the second highest position in the land. So if the highest position in the land goes away for whatever reason, then you replaces him or her, no? So that's the only reason, that's the only viable reason why you want the VP position. So there might be some something that you do not that they know that we do not know. So yun yung yun yung kasi parang para bang ako personally, this is too much already. No, this is too much. This kind of politics is really detrimental to the Philippine society, to the Filipino people in general. Hindi to nakakatulong. Kahit pa sabihin nating telenovela, drama, comedy, etc., action, etc., pero hindi to nakakatulong in the international perspective, even in the local perspective. Hindi to siya nakakatulong. At nakikita mo yung yung the push and pull, no? The push and pull. Nakikita mo yung anger nung kabilang side, especially kanang umaga, yung anger at frustration at disappointment ng VP, no? Ni VP Inday Sara. At to the point na nagmumura na nga siya, di ba? I think that's the first time that he really cussed, and he really cussed hard, no? So maraming natuwa na nagmura siya. Di ba? Parang anyhow, I think this should have to end for both sides. This is not helping us. No, this is not helping us. So it is right time to stop this hoopla. No, it's pulling us down. No, it's pulling. We are better than this. We are more better than this. As Filipino people, as Philippine nation, we are far more better than this. So guys, Philippine politicians in general, please, put your acts together, no, and put the country above first than your personal interest. Please, you've been elected by the Filipino people to be in that position. You were given the trust and confidence by the Filipino people in that position. So please show us that you are capable and you are more than willing and able to fulfill and perform your duties. Not this type of drama. Both sides. No, it's all, di ba? It always takes two to tango. Hindi naman pwede isa lang ang sumasayaw. Dalawang parties yan. So both parties, please, you talk, no? You talk and put this an end. Put this to an end. This should not be, this should not escalate to whatever, no. So I hope and I fervently pray that this would end as soon as possible, so that we can have a merry Christmas, no? December is just around the corner, no? So let's end this one. Please guys, let's end this, no? So for the sake of the next generation, for the sake of your children, no? So we are far more better than this type of situation. Please. So guys, I'll just keep you posted. I'll update you on whatever situation or whatever happenings, and I'll give my comments and reactions. For this one, this is just it. I'm just calling for a peaceful resolution to this hoopla. No, it's not really good for us. That's it guys. Please do like and share and follow my channel. Ciao. Bye bye. God bless. God bless Philippines. Let me count.